I'm deeply convinced that only if you are brought into situations and really experience leadership and need to work with it, that you really are going forward. We have two programs. One is for our mid-level leaders and one is for our senior leaders. And for both programs, we decided to get rid of the classroom style and work more experiential. This means that our nominees and our leaders are really working in complex projects. And that's where they learn. So the lighting industry is facing disruptive changes since some years, and this won't end. We are developing from a classical illumination provider to a high-tech company, and this means that we need a new style of leadership. And if you look in disruptive change, uncertainty, so the typical VUCA stuff, and that's what's constantly in our work, in our life at Osram. We need to take more risks, calculated risks, and all this needs to be dealt with. So we really found out that it is a massive improvement in leadership in regard to more coaching leadership, not the very telling style, so that people really change their style of leadership. So our leaders are more into taking the team with them into high performance, to really dealing and leading the change, but empower them more, give them more responsibility and really lead them through the change. But they don't need to be the experts any longer, and that's what we want to tackle and what we do with the programs. So it's called digital leadership or transformational leadership. And I think the more people we train in the programs, the more the organization will benefit as a whole.